Hey, there we are. Good evening. Oh, obligatory. That's the term I'm looking for. Obligatory leg cross and water drink. Booyah, mother effer. Booyah. How is everyone? I'm okay. I think I'm okay. Chat should work. Let's just throw that in there. That's not right. Bam. And we'll throw that in there. Bam. Okay. Perfect. Hey, how's it going? It's Nathan. I'm gonna go with Nathan. Am I right? Pretty sure I'm right. How are you, man? My desk is in shambles right now. Good. I'm other than literally the when you kill the last boss and the fading out to some narrative text, kind of like a closeout of the game. Other than that, it's, I mean, the core loop's complete, so I'm just touching up a few UI stuff today. I'm also going to test out today how it feels. I took off all of the outline for like when your player is hidden by, say, a wall. The player has a green outline that's drawn around them, so you know where they are, or you know where the player is. But I had outlines on the enemies as well, and I decided to take them off because I don't want the player to know where the enemies are. Thanks so much, man. I very much appreciate it. I hope I do you solid. It's been rocky. My main fault, this game technically, I mean, well, okay, obviously there's a good few factors. If I had more than, like, say 10 hours a week to throw at this game, say I had like double it, it would have been done and released in like the summer last year. But obviously, you know, the whole COVID thing, testing is going to be the biggest problem. Or, well, the most complicated one, to be brutally honest, because I have to rely on a few people that have kind of, for lack of a better term, proven themselves trustworthy with the game as a whole. So normally what I would do is I would go to conferences and go to dev meetups and put the game in front of people and watch them play the game and, you know, make notes and stuff like that. But obviously I don't have that option over the past year, which has been really, it's really slowed down my workflow. So a lot of the things that, like, I'll change and I'm like, I'm not sure if that's right, and then I can only get a couple, maybe 2 or 3 people's feedback back and forth. So like all of the changes have been slow to make because of that. So especially the narrative. Oh god, the narrative took way too long to write. For what it is, it's only because I couldn't exactly figure out where I wanted everything to go. Oh my god, yeah, well, at some point, Nathan, everyone's gonna be able to test. Hey Danny, how's it going? What's like right now, Nathan, if you want, if you haven't already, if you go to Steam, when that link, you can play test the survival mode build, which basically is my way of testing the combat. Now, currently, I don't have a new build up yet. The last build I put up was in 14th of December, but there are 2 bosses. There's the maggot boss and the hell creeper boss. There are some problems in that build there's some problems with those bosses in that build. But I'm not gonna lie, you need to be pretty skilled to get to them. You can only get to them in the power plant scene and the war pit scene. But you have access to all the survival mode scenes anyway. So you can give it at the very least, you can give the combat a play test if you like, leave some feedback in Discord, which would be grand. But the campaign mode, the story mode, obviously I can't just dole it out willy-nilly because, one, it contains the puzzles for the game and the narrative. So there's only like there's a few people that I would trust with the, again, puzzle solutions and narrative, well, plot, I don't want to say twist, but like plot points. And I think everyone can understand why that's the case. I mean, just because basically if I give them a build to play, I'm essentially giving them the entire build, like the entire game, unfinished, but the entire game. So and again, that's what makes it hard, because before I could just, take 1 or 2 scenes, bring it to a dev meetup, watch a few people play, get feedback. I can do it scene by scene, and not in any order, like do one scene, make some change, but you get the point, or you get the picture. But I can't do that. So, anyway, hey, Hero, how are you? Thanks for jumping in, man. Very much appreciated. So yeah, it should have been done late summer, maybe early fall. But obviously I don't have as much time these days to throw at it. And the difficulty in getting feedback back. Yeah. Oh, I've picked, you should change the movement of the bosses. Oh, which boss? If you don't, if you can remember what, like, I know that none of them had names, but like, was it a spider one, a worm one, a wolf one, a maggot one? Because basically what I'm going to do is I'm gonna have to do another pass at all the bosses, and just tweak the mechanics. And just see, basically refine them. So if there's a walking issue with one of them, or 2 of them, or all of them, please let me know. What was the other thing I was going to say? Oh yeah, so the inventory UI tonight we're going to change. Right now it's held a spider and worm. Okay, well the worm. Oh, fair enough. If it's the worm, fair enough. I was going to say the worm doesn't really have any legs. Change the movement of the boss. They have a certain issue. But the spider one, fair enough. Okay, spider one. I'll take a anyway. I'll go over it. But tonight, like I said, it's right now the player's inventory and their weapons is kind of not necessarily hidden, but like you basically hit the default is the left alt button. You hold it down and it brings you up your inventory menu. And I don't want the player to have to do that to see what they have. So I'm going to put an uninteractable, basically I'm gonna put that inventory on the main screen, but it'll be like, you can't interact with it until you hit that left alt button or whatever button you decide to assign to it. So when you hit that left alt button, the game will slow down to like a quarter the speed, and then your mouse will be able to interact with those UI things. And hopefully that will make it a little bit more nice, I hope. Andre, how are you? Nothing much going on. I'm just getting more the vocal cords warmed up, getting a bit of water in my system because I haven't done that all day, and that's not good. And also I had a small side project that I was hoping to get done today, and I've ran into a small thing. Oh, fair enough, Nathan. Okay, well, yeah, I will, because what I'm probably going to end up doing is I'll put my character in God mode and just put the boss in the scene and just watch and do a bit of damage, watch. I'll try to basically make it transition through all of their animations and just see. I'll probably end up recording it and looking back at it too, at maybe a lower frame rate. So like basically not a slow-mo, but like maybe 60% speed or something along those lines, just to see if I do see any animation tweaks, whatnot. But good call. Thanks for letting me know. I didn't know that. It's funny, for like the builds, I've had builds up on Steam for a while, and I don't have a lot of time to playtest them myself. Most of my playtesting takes place in the editor, which is not a good idea. I shouldn't be doing that. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so my mini side project, I have a few Raspberry Pis, and I'm in the process of converting one to be a wireless access point, which I'll install it right over my router, and I'll have all the TVs in the house wirelessly connect to the Raspberry Pi. But the Raspberry Pi, I need to install or basically a VN, so VPN. So this way, I could, if I'm lucky enough, I can get Disney, Netflix, Amazon Prime, all those streaming services to basically get the UK version or get the US version, whatever. So, but I run into some issues with the network configuration. So it's been a while since I dabbled the Raspberry Pi scene. So love your work, and I feel dude, thanks so much, man. I really do. Look, I really do appreciate it, and I hope that even though you enjoy anything that I'm doing, or even or if it's just a game itself, whatnot, if you do give any feedback, be as brutal as you can be, because the only way I'm really going to get a feel for how the game is, or even the stream, even if you want to critique the stream, that's fine, is for people to be brutally honest. I mean, don't be a dick, but like don't pull any punches, so to speak. So, and like I said, join up in the Discord and throw up in the build feedback forum, the streaming forum, not forum, channel. Keep calling them forums, but oh, fair enough, Nathan. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I have 3 of them. They're the old ones. They're like the Raspberry Pi, like Model B. They're the old ones. I haven't bought one in years, but for what I needed them to do in the past, they were perfect. I made a little like baby cam with one of them, and what did I do with the other one? I forget. Oh, I had the Retro Pi for a while, but I never had time to play it. I did something with the other one. I forget. I think maybe I made a NAS before I built my server, like a proper server. Can't remember. Anyway, they're great, but it's been, like I said, it's been a while since I've dicked around with them, and I've never really done any networking stuff. The NAS was easy, but like the VPN stuff, so I have to. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Take this push. Skin Shaffy, how are you? Take this push. I don't know what that means, but if it's a good thing, thank you. If it's a bad thing, I don't know. Take this punch. I'm thinking punch. I think it's punch. That's just like the drink, like a bowl of punch. That's probably not it. Okay, now I'm stretching at this point. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna jump in. Fuck it, let's go in a few seconds. I just want to make sure I have everything up. One thing I don't have up, and I do it every single time, is I never open up Visual Studio. So I'm gonna open that now, and we'll jump in. Also, when I transition to the next scene, please let me know if the audio's fine. I've had issues with some reason my other camera just kills the PC audio. Don't know why. But let's test that out after I hit this button and then that button. There we go. Okay, wow, is that bright? That camera is bright. Is the audio okay? Please tell me it's okay. Where was I? Okay, yeah, so right now I'll show everyone the current UI. And I think that's all I need, yeah. Hope the audio's fine. Looks like it's okay. So let's move our player to there. So this is the current, let me pick up some stuff. So we got some stuff. Do I have any, there's no items here, but so basically you hit this button. Oh, I got a health pack. And this is where your inventory stuff is. And I don't like that. I mean, it's fine, but it's, first of all, the big black box, bleh. But what I want to do is I want to take these weapons and I'm going to put them down here. And I'll take all your items and I'll put them along the side. So that you'll always see them, but you won't be able to interact with them here until you push that button. The default's the left mouse button. Sorry, left alt button. So when you hit that button, you won't get this black box, and this descriptor text will be, I don't know, somewhere around there. Oh, Skin Chef. See, here's the problem. I don't generally pay attention to what I say. So now that you've explained it, it makes perfect sense. Jesus Christ. Oh, hold on a second here. You're going to see me really close up, but I found the problem with the camera. There we go. That's much better. It was on auto ISO. It was bumping me up to 150. That's better. I was taking pictures. I was out in the park today with my kids, and we were taking pictures of them riding bikes and stuff. So obviously I forgot to change a few settings, I have a couple cameras. I have one is an A5100 with a 12mm lens, and I have an A6000, which is what I use to actually take pictures, and it's got a 16mm lens on it. Yeah. And thank God I picked them up way before the prices got out of hand on eBay. Like the A5100 I got for like 220 euro, and now they're like, you could be lucky to get them under 400. And the A6000 I think I got with the kit lens and everything, with basically all the stock stuff, I got for 300. And actually they're not doing, actually the A6000s are cheaper than the A5100s because the screen at the back, the vlogger screen, basically the LCD screen only goes 90 degrees. So now it looks too dark. I don't know. I don't care. Anyway, so we're gonna change that. So let's go to the player info canvas, to our inventory selection, and let's go to 2D mode. And let's click on it, go there. So obviously we can't see it because I'm a dick. And we gotta turn up the pause canvas, I think. And where's that fader? Fuck off, fader. Boop. So there it is there. This big ugly thing. So we wanna move this. No, I gotta remember how I coded the fucking thing. So I'm pretty sure I can just put a canvas group on this. Yeah, that'll work. Canvas group, and then interactable, blocks raycasts, yes. Interactable, default is no. Alpha, we're gonna change to 0.5 for now. And the background we don't need. The key item selection. This is the content here. So this one's gonna be the fun one. And the title, why isn't the title with it? So you are, where are you? You're in the center, which I guess you could still be in the center. No, we don't want this in the center. We want this in the, sorry if you can't see it. Oh, you can. Boom, boom. Hey. Wait, where's the canvas? That's weird. Oh, right. Because that's there. And this whole thing needs to go there. Hey, that's better. No worries, Skinchefy. Thanks so much for jumping in. So if we put our key items, we don't want it. That's way down there. We don't want our key items right in the direct bottom. So we're gonna go up, I don't know, I think it's 100, and we're gonna go over 50. And our weapon selection is gonna go over 100 and up 50. Now the key item text, items. Hey. I don't think we actually even gonna need that. And the weapon text we don't need either. Oh shit, no we do, we do need these for a second, because I'm gonna have to reorder these. Balls! The weapon titles we don't need. So just out of more of a curiosity, we're gonna test this as is right now. It's gonna be wrong, but I just want to see where we're sitting. I should just, why didn't I just do that? We'll test it in real time anyway. Just to see how completely fucked this looks. Give me some guns and a health pack. Oh yeah, so everything's all fucked up there. And yeah, I'm gonna get some air, so that's cool. So I don't know why, yeah, there's no, I get it, no reference, blah, blah, blah. So this is our UI. So let's find some fake weapons to put in here. Where's our weapons? Level prefabs, UI, weapons. Let's put, fuck it, let's put all of them in there. Boop. There they are. So, and where is the, yeah, see, that's not good. So content fitter. We want child alignment. No, we want lower left. Maybe we don't. How about middle left? It's a bit better. Top, we want 0. Where's the main player canvas? Right there. Yeah, we don't want that. Left 0. Okay, so we just take the weapon selection here, bring it straight over. We know that is, what is this at? 250. That's right on the money there. We're gonna go up 100 actually. Might actually be too much. Let's go 75. And we're gonna go over 350. We'll see. Now we need some items, so let's take some let's key items. Let's just take 8 of them. Put them in here. Boop. Yeah, that's a problem. So key items. This one, grid layout group. We want start axis vertical. We want. What do I have this one set at? Oh, I shouldn't be changing this. This is what I should be changing. Middle. Oh, lower left. And then here we want them to go child alignment. Next column cut. There we go. That's a lot actually. Now, I don't think the player would ever have. They might actually have that many items, so I might have to actually change the size of them, which is fine. Like I might change these to 50, to be honest. That's probably better. And the weapons. Ooh, no. Nope. Shit. Weapons will have to stay that big. Now these. Fixed column count 1. I could do 2. I do 2. I could do 2, and then I can make them 75 again. But that would take up too much. That would take up too much. And this needs to be in line, so roughly there. Yeah, that's too much. We'll get it. Let's do 1 column. No worries, take your time, Nathan. So that's. So again, the problem is going to be, the spacing, if I go 5 and 5, that's probably better. I don't know if the player's ever gonna carry more than. So this is what, 100? No. Doesn't seem far enough positioned. 180? Now where's the weapon selection? See, they don't look right, do they? See how the weapons look bigger? They're at 75. What are these at? 75. Oh, the spacing's different. The spacing's 30. That's why. Oh, okay. Shit. I'm trying to remember, because you could potentially have all 3 health items, right? So that takes care of 3. And I don't think you would, but I don't think you would. It's just a lot. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make these smaller. 50. That seems kind of better. And the weapons themselves, if I make them the same size, see, the spacing's too much. If I go 5 and 5, oh no. Hey. Well, yes. I mean, I could. But again, I'm trying to think. So if you have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't think you'll ever have more than 6. Actually, see, that's the thing though. It is possible that you could, because if you don't use any of the, say, the sewer keys, that's 5 items right there you can be holding on to if you don't use them. And once you have them, you can't delete them. But again, I could always just make it where the key items there, I can just put 2 rows. And then I could, you know, which kinda, actually, if I can make that smaller. The X, if I put 0 padding, yeah, see, it doesn't really line up, so it doesn't, you know what I mean? It's not the nicest. And I think that's the worst case scenario, is if the player finds all, because they don't, up until, say, the last, I don't know, 75% of the game-ish, you don't need to go into the sewer. Actually, sorry, I shouldn't say that. No, you do, because there's some key items in there. So, like, you probably wouldn't have... No, you wouldn't. You're right, because there's key items in there that you have to find, so you have to go down to the sewer. I just, right now, what I'm looking at, I just don't like that they're not... Like, hold on a second. What are these button sizes? These are... Why are the sizes so... Oh, right. They're set anyway. Width is 50. I can go 45 and 45, and that's pretty much exactly where I want it to be. But now the weapons just look way out of place. Like, that's a lot. And, oh, I never thought of that. There's narrative text that comes in here. Shit. I forgot. I don't know how I freaking didn't think. Yeah, there's some narrative text that comes in here, so your weapons would be... They wouldn't be blocking it. So I can move this up and then put the weapons... we can try it out. Yeah, why not? Let's just try it out. So let's just... Hey, just for the sake of doing it, let's just put you up here. Let's take the weapons and let's give them a fixed column count. We'll give them 2. And we will take you. Y, no, X is going to be, what's the X of this one? 75. I'll make them, bring you up. And this way I can match them, hopefully. See, if I make them too small though, what are these ones? 45. You know, we've already been over this, 45. Oh, what are the... Oh, is that why? Because my paddings are different? Oh, 5, 5, and 5. That doesn't really do much. Spacing. 0 on that. Spacing. Why is that? What is the difference in the buttons? 5.5. That's weird. Okay. Child middle left. Ah, the height too. Lower left. Let's go middle left. See, they're the exact same width now, but the buttons themselves, is that scaled? Let's check these. What is upper left horizontal, upper center? Nope. What is the big difference? See, it's because the weapons have text on them. So unless I edit the button themselves, so hold on a second here. Let's make this 1 so I can see them. If I go to the button itself and... and open it up, weapon image. That's the center. Oh, because that's, why is that 100? Oh, wait, is that why? No, that shouldn't be why. Horizontal fit. Min size. Preferred size. Huh. No, those are the same. It's weird they're the same because the buttons are actually the same size. The images are the exact same size, everything. I don't know why that's any different. Oh wait, is the anchor wrong? No, that's fine. Because like the image is 100 by 100. Yeah, the images, they're all the same. It's just weird. Like if I take this knife button out. Oh, I can't because it's... Let's just turn that off for a second. Why does that equipped image? Oops. I use Affinity Photo. Well, I use Affinity Photo, Affinity Designer, and I have Publisher just because it came in the package. I used to use Photoshop, but I can't afford the fucking subscription. Jesus, no. Oh, well, this might be why. Hey, current ammo. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Where are you? Extra settings. So left 0, 50, 0. Hey. Gosh, it will make that 60. Yeah, that looks better. Although the white, why isn't the giant white box? Like, why isn't that being adjusted either? It's just weird. How come like that's not being resized as well? Oh. Oh no, that's right. This equipped image needs to be like, I don't know why it's not like this. Pretty sure I had it set like that, and then I can take the text and I can just drop the top to... Hey Sundry, how are you? Thank you for popping in. Bottom, we go 10? No, that's not that's the wrong way. 0. Top, we go 5. Nope. Oh, it's the... Fuck it, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Yeah, that's... Why is the weapon image like this? Oh. That's weird. My chat computer just died. So if I do this... This is basically how it's supposed to look. So let's put this back on. Is it this I need to put back on? Boop. Yeah, and then the knife is now perfect. Although the text... That's so weird. Let's turn that off again. Boop. So let's fix the knife a little bit more. That text, I don't like the fact that it's outside the button, so let's take the current ammo, bring it up, change the font, auto size, ooh, yeah. Minimum is gonna be 10, maximum is gonna be 20. And we want this to be, where are you? That way, and yeah. Yeah, just like that. Although you're not gonna get it on the knife, but like for all the other ones. Yep. That's weird. Oh, right, because I'm an idiot. 0. And right is 0. And now we adjust it. That's better. There. That should be fine now. So now I just have to apply that to every single button. And then, which should be easy enough. And I can just do it to all of them. So the button I didn't change anything on. I'm gonna take the weapon image. Oh, that's fine. The equipped image, we're gonna take that. Copy component. Equipped image, equipped image, equipped image, equipped image. Paste it. Boop. Hey, that's better. Current text. So let's do this first. Copy. Current ammo. Oh yeah, then we gotta copy this. Current ammo. Damn you, stupid mouse. Okay, that looks way better. So if I turn that back on, aha, it's way better. So, okay, so I do need padding here, 5. There we go. Ricardo, how are you? That's much better. And you were gonna get these. It still looks a bit tiny, but it should be actually, maybe we can make these. No, not if we want them to fit actually. Balls. So everything is 5. Weapon selection. I'm okay. I'm doing okay. So we can put you there. And the key item selection. See, the thing is, I need these. I'll link them up like that. But I need these to go basically up. So it's going to go start axis horizontal. Yeah. But I need them to fill. So for example, let's just take, I don't know, let's take these away, right? I'm okay with it doing this. If I duplicate it, see, I want it to fill the other way. As in I want, instead of those two going up and the new one coming in, I want those two to stay here and the new one to go to the next level. Child alignment. Let's go lower left. That might work. So let's duplicate this now. Damn it. Nope. It's been a while since I've used these. Horizontal child alignment spacing. What is the stupid setting? Sorry if you can't see this. Oh, you can. It's just. Is it cool? Self-span, really? Oh, start corner. Haha. So you want upper right? We want to fill it that way? No, we want lower right. Okay. I had no idea it was cold there. Upper left. So if I... Still doing it. No. Lower left. Hey, there we go. That's how I want it to go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And we'll do the same with the weapons. Lower left. Oops. Lower left. Oh, I don't want to delete those yet because I got to save the prefabs. LD Films, Motorsport, nice. How are you? Okay, look, let me apply these overrides and apply, and then we'll see what it looks like in game. Oh, I actually have to change a tiny bit of code, but that's fine. I said apply. Do as I said. I wish you could select all of them and apply them all in the same go, but maybe in the new version of Unity you can, I don't know. So we can get rid of you and all of you. And these backgrounds need to go too, I think. Where's the background? Oh, it's these. Boop. Okay, let's just see what it looks like. We're gonna get errors, but let's move our dude. Okay, so let's get some weapons. Now, I'm already seeing an issue. Okay, that's way too fucking small. Hey, hey, how's it going? Yeah, so if I put it here, obviously there's an error, but that's too small. So that's obviously not kosher. That's gotta be much bigger. Which is fine now. Yeah, that looks hideous, to be honest. And we gotta put the text here as well. The reason why I moved it up from the bottom is because there's narrative text that goes here. Now I could also move it to this side and have it build up this side. But no, because then there's pickup text here as well. Cool. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's show description. Oh, Jesus. So let's find you. Oh, you're way down there. Why are you down there? So let's fix these first. Description text. What's the first error I'm getting here? Description. Do I have something turned off that should be turned on? Oh yeah, derp the pause canvas. That's why. Fader. Well, the fader, yeah. Now let's try it out and see what errors we get. Clear on play, yeah. Come on, load. Yeah, see those? There we go. Yeah, so those are way too small. So these you're gonna be able to see as soon as I make them bigger. And all of the narrative text is gonna be, I'll just place it here. But yeah, that's a lot more space than I thought you were gonna have on the screen. So we can make those way bigger. Let's bump it up by like, oh, is that the right one? No. Cell size, let's go. I forget what I had before. Let's go 75 by 75 and see what that looks like. So let's turn off that pause canvas. What the mother of God? Oh, right, because I turned it off. Fader. Fader can just go away. I don't even think that needs to be. Okay. Now, what shows it? Out of morbid curiosity, am I doing this in code or let's find out. These are my listeners. Oh, fair enough. Oh, yeah, I have to fix the, like, basically when you hover over the item, I want them both to share the same text box. They had their own. New event triggers, blah, 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 listener. Huh. Play button sound effects. Pause control, player control, show. Ah, okay. So it's player info controller. So basically this, I just need to make another one. We'll make one public text mesh pro, text mesh pro GUI, and we'll just go, what am I gonna, inventory. Description. Inventory item description, probably more better. So actually we will copy this just in case this looks like pure crap and I go back to the way I had it before. Oh, I hate when that happens. Yeah, just copy these. Same with you. So basically I can just, yeah, shit. I can, well, if I like this, I'll just combine everything all into one instead of having everything being separate. So now I have to make it or just choose one that I want to use, which will be probably the key items one because it's there. And yeah. If it'll compile. Oh, compile. So that's there. We don't want it to be there. You're anchored in the center, which is not what we want. We want you to anchor more towards the side. Yeah. Hey. So we want you to be up roughly there. And we will make the text go that way because it just makes more sense. So key item description text. And let's actually look, we'll throw it there for now. And I need to find the player's inventory controller, which is down here. Actually, wait, what script is this? Sorry. Player info controller. This is probably on. I forget where this is actually on. Pause menu? Put mapping. Where the hell did I put? Is it on the player? I forget where I put the script. Jesus, fine, we'll search the other way. Player, info, controller. Have to go type. Oh my god, I actually put it there. I'm a dork. Key item text. We'll put it. That's the one we're using. Okay, let's try it again, and we'll get rid of the that, and then we'll deal with the. So, like I said, I always want it there, but I don't want it. I'll change the alpha out, like maybe half or something like that. Let's move our player over there. Go back. Some stuff. That's better. Oh, what did I not set an instance of? What are you talking about? What's this? What is not? Oh, fuck's sakes! I forgot to turn the pause canvas back on. Sorry, everybody. The fader, I don't give a shit about. The fader can stay. Sorry. It's getting the text needs some work though. The text needs to be bumped up. It looks a bit, I don't know, pixelated. Yeah, so these are all over the place now, but so that needs to move down a bit. Yeah, those aren't in any way, shape, or form lined up. So the spacing needs to be bumped up a bit. The text is kinda there, but it's not, I don't like it. Now it could be this monitor, but no, because this text, oh, by the way, this is only half alpha, that's why. But yeah, so basically where this is, where the text is there, because if I hover over the rifle, high powered rifle, I gotta change some of those descriptors. I gotta change. So let's get rid of the pause menu again and forget about it again. So let's add some weapons so we can fix what I screwed up. Weapons, put them all in there. Boop. So can I do it? And then we need some key items. I don't know, U to here. Bam. Yeah, see, it's way off again. So what did I do? 75, 75, that's right. With the, spacing of 5. And 75, 75. Now, what are you at? X 75, go 250. Okay, left. That's why. You're at bottom left, and weapon selection should be at bottom left. That's the problem. So you're at 75, you need to be 75. Perfect, and we can just bring you up to wherever we need you for now, and they all need to go up. Balls. So I just want it out of the way. Yeah, should be fine. I'm gonna have to test. And I don't want them all mixed up, so that's why I want to keep them separate. Where's the text? Where's that current ammo? Because no one will ever have more than 500 of any of the ammo. That's why I use that number. So minimum is 10. If I raise that, can I even do that? No. Oh, it is at 20. Okay, max is 30. Yeah, it's way too much. So minimum is still 10. Max is 25. That's pushing it. That's pushing it. Does that? No. Put it center. Maybe I could leave it there. Maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it where this is now. And actually, and where's that key? Sorry, the text, the item text. So that's where the description is going to be. I don't know if I like it there. I'm not going to lie. I don't know where to put this. I could just put it down here. Text Mesh Pro is way less to render. So basically on Unity's normal text component, every vertice, and this is from my understanding of it, I might have it slightly off, but every vertice in that font is needs to be rendered, and it's a separate, it's not, I don't know if it's considered a separate draw call. The UI works slightly differently, but anyway, it's a separate call. With Text Mesh Pro, I believe there's only 2 calls per whatever you want in it. So like say I have a complicated letter, like I don't know, W. It's still only 2 calls. Whereas if it's W on like the normal Unity text, it's like, you know, basically join the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 calls to draw W. And yes, it scales better, it works better. You can add 3D effects to it. It's just a much more performant thing, and that's why Unity is, it's like, it's standard and now in Unity. Okay, so it's popping out there. So I might leave it at the bottom. Yes, and anywhere it all depends. If you have a busy canvas or a lot of narrative, use it. There's no harm in it. It's only going to make your project better. See, this side doesn't line up. It's only going to make your project better if you use it. More performant, excuse me. Why is 75, 75, and 5? Why are those? Oh. That's why. No, they're perfect. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this here. I like this idea. Oh, did I change anything on these stupid buttons? I did. Son of a... I have to overwrite these damn buttons. Yeah, override, boop. Override, boop. And now we gotta change a bit more code to get it to do what I actually want it to do. Boop. And if I don't like it, I can just restore the project. So on our, and I'm gonna turn this pause. Ooh, hold on a second. I should probably get rid of these. Let's just do the code first, because reasons. So right now, player inventory items, we're just turning it on and turning it off, which is not really what we want. So do I have this on each canvas or item selection? I have it. Oh, inventory selection. Okay, so this is a canvas group. So we'll go public canvas group. Player inventory canvas. And I'll just make this part of the static refs later. So when we're out of the gate, we're gonna get rid of this. This is the old one. Player inventory canvas dot alpha equals, we'll go 0.5 for now. Also, player inventory canvas dot interactable equals false. So we want to change both of these. Just make a fucking method. If gains pause is true, we want it to be, let's get rid of you. We want the alpha to be 0. 0. We don't want to see it at all. Now this is the fun part. We want alpha to be 1. And we want it to be interactable. And when it's up, oh, why didn't I just do it in here? It's weird. And when we close the player inventory, we want it to be back to that. Now the problem is, if game pause is true, it changes the alpha back. Instead of this, I'm gonna go this. Yep. Just see what it looks like. So as long as I... Sorry, I'm just doing some stupid shit in my head. Okay, let's test this. Player inventories. Boop. So right out of the gate, it's not interactable. Yeah, okay, so. Oh, that, ooh. Ooh, that's gonna throw a problem. Oh, I just realized that. Okay, let's get rid of these buttons. Actually, let's just turn them off, because I'm gonna use them later. Key items for testing. Oh, watch this. I know exactly what's gonna happen. Oh, fuck. Well, we'll see how it goes, because again, it might look good and I don't know. So there's nothing there because there's no items, but as soon as I pick up an item, there we go. So there they are, they're coming in. Your items are there, there's pop in, it's nice. And what do you mean there's no reference? From what? I have the fucking pause controller off. Or pause canvas. The yellow lines? Oh, you mean like here? What do you mean yellow lines? Be more specific so I can answer. No, seriously, I don't know what yellow lines. Oh, you mean under the player's feet? Oh, okay, so I'll show you in a second. I'll show you in a second what those are. Just let me test this out. Okay, so now... Ah, see? Look. Even though they're not interactable, on hover still being called. Son of a bitch. It's like, it's working, and I kind of like it this way, because you can see, although I'm going to move it closer to the side. Maybe it does need a background, too. And that number needs to go on the knife. Yeah, but see, on hover still being called. And I don't want that at all. Knew there was going to be a caveat. Yeah, so I'll show you right now. Let's go to the... I'll just turn this radio button back on. Turn the pause canvas off. So, radio button. If we type in some text here in the old radio button-a-rooney. So, some text. Whatever, it looks like crap, right? So with the Unity text, you actually you resize the text transform. With TextMesh Pro, it has its own, for lack of a better term, text area. So you see these blue dots? That's the size of the text. That's the size of the actual game component, game object. But if you use these arrows, these little buttons, you can actually resize the text to go wherever you want within it. It's handy. Now I have to find out. Key item button. So. Oh. Thanks, LD Films. No, on the UI, it's an option you can set an inspector. What is he? What yellow? I still don't know what he's asking. Sorry, Danny. In the inspector on the buttons. Oh, now I understand what you're saying. Okay, those. Yes, now I get it. I get it. Sorry. So all these yellow lines basically show you. So say I was using a controller, right? And actually, let's turn these back on. Say I was using a controller, and this knife button was the game object selected. Those yellow lines show you when you move where the other possible transitions to the next UI pieces are. They don't really mean anything for PC because your mouse, you can select anything. But say I was selected here. Now these are all over the place because I don't have them set because I don't need to. But basically, if this was a controller only game or I wanted controller support, I'd have each of these buttons wired up. So if I hit up, if I was on the knife button and I hit up, the next button it would go to here. But if I have the knife button and say I hit left, I could set it that it would automatically go back to here. Or I could set it, if I hit left, to go all the way back to the top. Those yellow lines are, they tell the developer where the next UI transition would be to, if that makes any sense. Sorry, I know I explained that horribly. But usually what I do is I take these and I make them, doesn't really matter, but I set it to none. Because if it's keyboard mouse game, it doesn't matter. You don't need UI, and like you can't, there's no up and down arrows. It's all mouse. So right now I gotta figure out, and I don't think I can do this, which sucks. The hover over event works because it's event type, and even if the button is not interactable, I don't know how to get around this. I never come up with this. Let's actually take a quick look at Google and find out. Hover over being called when button is not interactable. There's got to be a way around this. Oh, sorry. I should put Unity because there's a lot of weird shit. Oh, Jesus. Hover over event. I'm not getting anything. Huh. Sorry, I'm looking for a solution here. Do I have a reference to itself? You know what, Sundry? Whoops. Yeah, good call. I'm not sure. Well, wait, I'm not sure if I can put conditions in here. Let's find out. If this button is interactable. I don't know if I can. If it's interactable, screw. Oh, derp. I'm an idiot. Oh, wait. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, sorry. What did you mean? Oops. Go ahead, Sundry. School me. You mean in these actual methods? Basically, I wouldn't worry about this one. This one doesn't matter. I kept it in there for debugging. Ah, so I'd have to pass the button then, so show item description. Oh, what? No, what are you talking about now? You're confusing me. Just do it right. I don't know. I've never really had to dive into this before. I just assumed that if a UI component or UI object wasn't interactable, that you couldn't have any no events would actually be called on them either. Yeah, and I can't put any. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Oh. Can I do it this way? Can I actually do it that way, Sundry? Yeah. I want to see if this works. I actually want to see. I don't know if you can put a condition like this in a listener. I don't know. We're gonna try though, because I'm gonna do it right now. I don't know, man. That seems sketch. Well, post what you can in Discord, Danny. Code Monkey. I haven't heard that name in a while. Okay, let's. Oh, I gotta do it to the weapon buttons too. Son of a bitch. Weapon button, cause they don't share the same code, cause they do different things. Da 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 da. Add listener. Please tell me I have this button. This button. Thank God. So the listener. Yeah, on click, that's fine. Hover over. If this button dot interactable equals true. This is probably gonna throw error. I don't know. I don't know. So let's hide all these. Hey. And let's give this a go and see if that works. I didn't expect this to take this long, but I knew there'd be something. There's always something. Thanks, Danny. Yeah. Let's scoot our player over. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, wait. It says, hold on. Hold on. The pause canvas. This actually might work. If this works, I can't believe that works. I was so sure that you couldn't pass conditions like that. I thought you could only do. Wow. If this works. My Unity. Oh, the health. I forgot that. But look at. Oh, see the weapons. It's still working on the weapons. Hold on a second here. Yeah, see, that's not what's happening, because basically, because you're throwing the listener. I need to do a check in there. Son of a bitch. I can do it. It's just ugly. So I need to pass a button. This we don't need. Pause control doesn't matter. It didn't work, Sundry, because this here, this add listener, this only gets called once. So the listener itself, like it won't do another check. So I don't know how to explain it. So basically, I'm trying to think of a good way. Yeah, okay, good. I don't need to. So I just, like I said, I'll just throw it in here. This is the only place that's the only time that it gets called. So I just pass the button along. Good, thank God. Key item button, I'll do this. Yeah, I'll just do the same here. Show item, I really should just combine these. Button, sending button. That's not correct. And this should work if sending button dot interactable. This is a hack, by the way. Whoops. This is a pure hack. There's got to be another way around the hovering event. I should also do this in this button. I should I have to do this in the health items too. Son of a bitch. Might as well do it now. Test it properly. Sell button. Health button. Please tell me I have an entry for this button. Why? Oh, I do. Yes. Haha. Oh, good. This button. Okay, rock and roll. How do you make the button in Unity and the button on the keyboard equal? Oh, you mean the text? You have to read it, like, so, I mean, this will be a very dirty, where is it? No, it's in player info canvas. Where are you? I mean, sorry, it's pause canvas. Where is it? So I have, and this is a very bad way of doing it. So keycode press blah blah blah, mapping buttons, where's my text? So basically I cache the name of the key, which you can get by just sending the name of the key to a string. It's been a while since I looked at this either. So, like, you know, for example, I don't know, text equals input dot get key down key code W to string. That's all. You remember kids make zombie noises in your mic and edit them to send. Not a bad idea. Okay, let's test this before I go crazy trying to figure this stupid thing out. It shouldn't have taken an hour. Okay, the pause canvas was on, right? Yeah, it's right there. Okay. Damn it! Why? Are these buttons interactable or something? They are interactable. Why are they interactable? Oh, but the canvas group isn't. Oh, that's why. So the buttons themselves are still interactable, but the canvas isn't. So this canvas group does sweet fuck all. So now, oh. Yeah, because this, by changing this to be not interactable, it doesn't actually change the state of the button. So I can cache the inventory selection canvas group and base it off that. Oh my gosh. Okay, static refs, because I'm not doing this individually for every stupid button. So what are the inventory? What a freaking mind fuck. All this so I can make it look this much better, which I hope it does. Public canvas group. Player inventory canvas group. Lame. So that means where are you? Key item button. So we're not sending this button anymore. No, I don't even need to do this. So it's here. And these. Okay, that's much better actually. Canvas group. Player inventory canvas. Oh my god, group. Void awake. Static references, static ref, all this for one stupid reference, but that's okay. If I could spell, that'd be great. Static ref equals game objects. Not fine, stupid motherfucking game objects. Oh, come on. And then player. Oh my god! Player. Inventory canvas group. That's a long freaking word. Static refs. Player inventory canvas group. Boom. So now instead of so I can get rid of these stupid sending buttons. And here I can just do this. There. One. So I need to do this for the... Oh no, I only show item description. I also need to do this for the show weapon description as well. There. Whoa! There. Yeah. Yeah, that means I got all these key item button. Don't need you. And where are you? UI weapon button. Don't need you. And where's the health one? Health item button. Don't need you. As long as everything's saved, fuck, it better be saved. It's okay, Ricardo. When everyone else looks at my code, they don't understand it either. I'm not the best coder out there. Although I am taking a coding workshop starts on Wednesday. I can't wait. Actually, I'm really excited for that. Boop. Okay, let's try this again. Please work. It should work. Because now we have it dynamically controlled. Coding workshop, yes. Unfortunately, it's not open to the public. It was an invite-only thing from one of my previous game developer professors. Okay, so... Okay, I'm still here. The problem, I'm still hearing the sound effect for it, but that's... Hey, hey! Hey, look at that. So we'll get rid of that sound effect too. I still don't know if I like where the text is, but... So the numbers, yeah. The values, I'll dick around with where these are. Like those numbers are too big for those items. And maybe I will put a background on it as well. Yeah, because some of the, like the shotgun looks darker than everything else. I don't know why. After Wednesday? Oh. So this is kind of what I was going, instead of having this menu, so like right now you can see the icon, so when you do select it, the time slows down. And actually, what happens in the... Oh good, they're blocked out. Perfect. So we'll get rid of the audio as well. And I wish I had some text I could play. Oh, I do. Derp. Let's go see this guy. Oh! That's not what I wanted. Oh shit, the boss is gonna fucking spawn. Oh, the shadows I gotta fix. Ah, big boss. Ah! Run away! Shit, that poison. I'm changing that poison, Sundry. Don't worry about that. Okay, so, couple things. The play button sound effects needs... Oh, shite. This I don't care about. This I do, because unfortunately, a lot of things use the... A lot of things use this. So I can always just turn it off for now. Because that, I'm gonna have to figure out another way around. Actually, why don't I just add this to the show description? Oh, that makes so much more sense! Hey! Darren, I don't have, I gave up my affiliate status so I can, I gave up my affiliate status so I could, multi-stream. Please don't be upset. I could have kept it and then did it anyway, but last thing I want is to get banned. If you want me to give your £5 back or whatever it was, no worries. Sundry, believe it or not, yes, because I get not comments. I have been contacted, and since I've done multi-streaming, I've gotten a lot more people sign up for the playtests. It might not seem like it on the back end, but like some people actually catch the vids. Not a lot, but they'll catch it on like a on DLive or YouTube or even Facebook. I get a lot more views after the video's gone live or after the video's ended than I do during it. So, well, Darren, if you really want, you could. I mean, if you really want, you don't have to. But I really do appreciate the notion. Instead of giving Twitch money, you can always just, you know, donate to PayPal. I have a donate button, I think, somewhere. You can do it that way. I'm not saying you have to, but you can. Did that even work? I don't know if that even worked. Did that work? No, it didn't work. Oh, there it is. There. If you really want, you don't have to. But if that's how you, if anyone wants to support the stream, there's that. I mean, or if you want to get something for your money, there's that as well. I got a few people bought me stuff from my own merch store for Christmas. I thought that was fun. Pause control equals static ref. So we're gonna take that right out of there. Static ref dot pause control. Boop. And in here, we're going to go back to our button. We're gonna rip this right out. Copy back to our player, and we're gonna slap it right there. Yep, that'll make more sense. And we can go back to key on a button, and we can probably just get rid of this whole thing now. Mouse over, I don't care. And let's do that to the weapon button. Weapon button. Copy this. Go to here. Play it there. Weapon button. And there's a health button too, I believe. Oh, that takes care of it in the other one. Okay, yeah. Cool. Last thing to try. Well, I saw you online. I just wanted to pass say hi. Thank you for your. Oh, no worries. Pepnix, no worries, man. Thank you. It's funny. I posted that video basically a year ago, and I'm still getting comments on it. I'm doing my best to help everyone, but like, I'm not going to lie. I don't use that system anymore. But I mean, I still remember a good amount of like voice meter in the setup, but helping people, it's really hard because you don't know how they have their things rooted and whatnot. So I mean, I hope it's working for you. And if it's not, I mean, you can join the Discord and you know, you can put it up and like ask a question like miscellaneous tech or something like that. And I'll do my best, but it's been a while since I've actually used that setup before, so. But thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching it. Hope you hit that subscribe button. I can't believe it. It's funny, that video has almost 100,000, and I'm not complaining. I'm actually really grateful. The video has almost 100,000 views, and I still don't even have 1,000 subscribers. Again, I was hoping I could, like, you know, monetize it, but I can't. It's fine. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, like, again, what I was doing was very basics, like, you know, just hotkeys, like sound effects, and, you know, changing scenes. Like, which changing scenes in OBS is basically just hotkeys as well. So, like, I wasn't using it at all. The hardest part was the color codes and finding. I just happened upon that color code map that I online, and thank God, because two of the ones I found previously weren't in any way working. So I'm glad it works, man. Whoa, dude, Darren, thank you so much for that. You didn't have to do that, man. That's awesome. Darren, I need to buy you something. I need to get you, at the very least, a month's worth of coffee or something, dude. Thanks so much. I didn't even get a chance to read the message. Shit. Dude, that's awesome. It's funny, you guys, it's funny, and again, Sundry, and I know you asked earlier, was it worth it? Like, and I say this from a place of, you know, I'm trying, or at least, humbleness, whatever. People, oddly enough, people have been more generous since, and I mean, I know it's how could it be needed of me to say it literally just happened, but like overall, people have been more generous since they, like, you know, the only option is to either, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, or tip. Like, I've gotten a lot more sales in the merch store, which I just threw it up because it was free to do, so I did it. And like, since leaving Twitch, not leaving Twitch, but like multi-streaming, a lot more people have bought stuff from it. Like not leaps and bounds, like I'm not making, you know, money hand over foot, but like, you know, little bits here and there, and it's way more. So if coincidence, fair enough. But P-Flan or Flan. But in any case, Mind Cauldron, dude. Much respect. I don't know what I was gonna do. I was gonna do something. I don't know what the hand signal is. I'll just go like this. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, what was I testing? Oh yes. Modesty. Okay. That is going right into the marketing war chest. I swear to God. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this music off. I'm gonna turn this up. Okay, no sound effects. Yay, it works. It's still not nice because it's not really separated. But it's better. So the other thing is too, can I hover over something? Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. I don't know. I do have this impression. I don't have anything over here that's. No, everything is. But basically, you see the text here at the bottom of the screen. I can't move my mouse because the text go away. I don't want the text. I wish I could point. I'm pointing at it, but like, it's not working. Oh, fair enough, Sundry. So the reason why the weapon UI is up that high, actually, I might even move that whole thing up to the side. No, I can't. Damn it. It's because the text at the bottom of the screen might run into it. So right now it looks kind of odd because it's not in line. Like the, oh, you can't see because my camera's in the stupid way, but like the health and other ammo section at the very bottom right-hand corner is in line with the text, but the inventory stuff isn't. So I'm not gonna sit around and dick with it for now, but like it's there, it works. The descriptions are absolutely god-awful. But yeah, I like it better than what it was before, because before it, like, by checking into your inventory, you were completely like taking you out of the game. At least with this, yes, you can't do anything else. You play, like, you can't actually, the player can't shoot, the player can't do anything, basically stand there, and everything else in the game drops down to a quarter of its speed. But at least you don't have this big thing that comes up in your face. And like, again, takes you out of what you're doing or takes you out of the scene. So it's not exactly where I want it, but I think it's better. So I'm gonna save all of this. I made a lot of changes there. Yeah, thanks, be fine. I don't know about a blood splatter, but I do think it might need a background. Because the blood splat, like the blood splat in the UI, it's not anywhere else, and like generally you want to keep UI as consistent as possible. And my UI, at least the way I'm trying to do it, is like very minimalistic. So like even my pause menu is pretty boring. Oh shit, I forgot to, damn it, put that back on. Yeah. So, yeah, oh fuck, I can't believe I did that. Oh, balls, I forgot to delete all these items. Damn it. Oh, I opened. Edit the prefab, open prefab. You die. You die. Save. Back, I say. There we go. So I can get rid of, I have to open this back up again. I don't need the title. I could separate them. Actually, I'll keep those for now. I could separate them somehow. I don't know how to do it. Because the inventory background as well, I can literally just make it this whole, like just put up a black border around this whole thing, covering all of it. But that means I'd have to space, like I'd have to space it out right. And it's really hard with UI that's dynamic. That I can delete too. Not now. Saving scene. How much time we got left? Not a lot. So we're gonna start working on the old Hell Creeper boss because he's pissing me off and I want to deal with him now. So, Mr. Hell Creeper boss, instead of doing that poison breath, how do I say it? Actually, so Sundry. Oh, no worries. Does it really? Well, see, Twitch only lets you upload to like basically 6 megabytes or 6,000 kilobytes. YouTube is, I don't even know what the upper limit of YouTube is. Like people upload 4K. Can you do 4K 60 on YouTube? I know they can do 4K 30, but on Twitch it's 1080p 60 is max. So like, and like I said, they only let you do 6 megabytes. So like it's on Twitch, it's way more compressed than YouTube. So the thing is though, because I'm multi-streaming, I have to set all my parameters or settings, whatever you want to call them, to what the lowest is of all of the platforms I'm streaming to, and I believe actually Twitch is the lowest, oddly. So, Twitch source, but yeah. Well, you got to remember too, Twitch is going to have a, well, see, look, I don't know what the infrastructure is like, but Twitch is going to have a higher volume of people looking at live streams Well, I don't know, because there's a freaking 500 million people who use YouTube. I don't know. There's no telling. I don't know. Maybe it's my internet connection, or maybe it's because I'm using Restream, which basically I upload my feed to Restream, and then Restream sends it out. So maybe there's an issue there. I don't know. All I know is it's getting out. Oh, there you go. So like 4K 60. So like you're looking at like you'd want a minimum of 25 megabit upload minimum for that. And I'd say like 50 is probably better. Like 50 is probably. Well, I don't know. Oh, like Mind Cauldron, if it's better on or if it's, let's say, more consistent on another platform, it's not your internet connection, it's just the site. Yeah, I figured as much, Ricardo. Yeah, so like, I'd say 50, well, basically 50 megabits up for 4K 60 is, like, you should be doing that. Not many people have that up. I know I don't have that upload speed. Although that's one thing I want to do in this new year, is I want to go all the way to the top tier fiber. No, God, you ask when I don't mind people asking questions as long as like it's something that I have a potential to answer. Like I feel bad when someone comes in like saying like I have this script that I'm right one game object's trying to do something blah blah blah, and it's like it's really hard to diagnose something without seeing it, and two knowing all of the context details, and I feel really bad. I can't help. So usually I just direct people to Discord and say throw up your code snippet and give a long-winded description, and hopefully someone can help if I can't. But oh, fair enough, Ricardo. I never thought of that. I wonder because again, I was mentioning that I'm buying a VPN service in the near future, and I wasn't sure if using a VPN. Actually, no, I'm sure using a VPN will actually hurt my upload speed. I'm sure it will. So. Oh, thanks so much, Nathan. I appreciate it. Well, look, I mean, if you want to help, share it, tell your friends. Again, like, subscribe, comment wherever you can. I mean, those things help. Again, much appreciated for that. I'm not trying to be a YouTube or Twitch star or anything. I just want to need more eyeballs on the game. So, if anyone out there wants to help, if sharing the content, getting people to wishlist the game. Okay, so Sundry, based off of your feedback, this stupid hell creeper mother effer. Oh. Oh, fair enough, P-Flame. Yeah, look, well, yeah. I just the thing is I don't have I know some of the writers out there might be some quasi cheap ones, but like I'd rather I'm actually configuring a Raspberry Pi to be a wireless access VPN, and I'll put the VPN on all my PCs, but as for router, like I'm just gonna use the Raspberry Pi for it, because anything else outside of my PC, it's not a ton of bandwidth that they're using. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, Sundry. So what's going to happen is this boss will do the poison pools instead, and the breath is going to go. And what's going to happen is instead of that breath, I'm going to do a piss poor job of explaining this. The boss will shoot out two fire lines of fire on the ground, basically in the direction that's facing, and that fire will stay for a bit. Now it won't be. I'm hoping obviously have to check. So basically, it's going to be a giant AOE avoidance fight. Now the fire won't stay as long as the poison pool. Maybe like 7 or 8 seconds, maybe 10. Don't know, but so it'll still do the close range AOE, but it'll be the poison pool, and then like I said, it'll be two flames of fire, two jets of fire that'll go along the ground and stay there. So, and I'm gonna do ads. So what I'm gonna do too, and I know I'm making a lot of work for myself, but they'll be very basic. when he does the poison pool, 2 mini versions of him, like one, like this is a 5 times scale, one scale, like a normal scale, will pop out, and they'll just be melee guys, and that's how the player will get his ammo. By killing those guys, they'll drop ammo. So it's basically a complete rework. It's basically, yeah, ads for sure. No, it is basically the same mechanics. It's just one. I like the idea of making the player move, not just like, okay, I'm gonna run across the screen, I'm gonna turn, and it's gonna shoot, and it's gonna wait. The ads will make the player, or at least will draw the player fire, but the jets of flame will make the player need to watch the boss and get the and move. I like that. Oh, fair. Yeah, see, and that's the thing. His health needs to be adjusted. It's way too much. Like, basically, his health is... what is this stupid... Oh, it's not... It gets... I think his health is like 400, which basically means... I know you're seeing, like, you know, say you shoot him and it says 10. You're actually doing 1. So you need... Well, there you go. You need 400 bullets of 1 damage hitting him. So it's too much. Hey, Hugo. 400 HP, yeah. But for again, Sundry, for every 10 damage you see pop up out of the boss, it's actually only 1 damage. This 10 looks better than 1. So when you have, like, you know, I don't want to put a text pop up that says 1.3 damage. 13 looks better than 1.3. So the numbers don't mean anything in the grand scheme of it. They're there as an informational purpose to say, for weapon range and for to show you that you did actually hit the enemy or not. That's it. They do mean something. They actually have a numerical value, but like it doesn't matter. Anyway, so for the Hell Creeper, movement stays the same. The attacks are different though. So I need an object pooler. Do I have the object pooler? I do not, so we're gonna need it. Object pooler. Staff ref dot object. Yeah. I know, well, yeah, so like, and some of those were probably misses as well because of range. So again, he's got way too much health. Way too much. I'll probably, I don't know. That's gonna need a lot of testing. A lot of testing. So the other thing too is, do I want the boss to be able to do everything right out of the gate? Or should I just start with the fire? And then at, like, I don't know, 50% health, add the poison pools. Something like that. Something else to play around with. So lots of stuff. Poison breath. Yeah, Jesus, there's lots. You know what? Instead of doing this here... Actually, well, we can do the ads anyway. At least put the code in for the ads. Oh, we can't because the object pooler doesn't have them. Let's make the ads. Come on. Hell Creeper. Hey. Boom. Where are my prefabs? There's my prefab. And let's make them a different color. Let's go yellow. Yellow. Red. Purple. Purple's cool. Purple. Weep. There he is. Little hell fucker. Hell creeper. Oh, I don't want purple. I want red. Or yellow. Which one, everyone? Red, yellow, or purple? Come on. The purple and the red one look kind of the same. Which one? Yellow? Red? Jesus Christ, guys, thanks. Come on. I want some consistency here. Help me. No, nothing. Maroon. Guys, you got three. I said two, three. Purple, red, and yellow. This one's purple. Red. I think red is the same. Yeah, the red. Yeah. Chartreuse. You guys fucking suck. Rainbow Spidey. People. Okay, I might just go with yellow. Because it's different. Yeah, let's just go with yellow. Because fuck all y'all. I can change it later. It's a stupid material. Okay, so. Oh, God. So where is our enemies? Let's just put it in there now. It's too late now. I've decided. It is done. Sundry, curious, have you gotten any notes for me? No rush, just saying. What am I doing? I don't want Golem. Folder, Hell Creepers. Boop. Boop. Original prefab. There we go. I did take it. Hugo sent some. I mean, chartreuse. UV. There were some ones in there. Oh, good, Sundry. Thank you. Hugo. Again, thank you very much for yours. For your notes and whatnot. There is a couple things that I do need to explain better. You're right, especially with the hospital official. I probably will actually have some dialogue from the quote-unquote board of directors, if you remember. Basically, maybe it's either I don't know, phone or a tablet. Basically, a reciprocal email, something explaining that relationship and why it matters. I could also probably put something in the VIP ward in the hospital, something along those lines. Okay, so we need a movement script. Actually, we need an enemy health. Oh, wait, we need a whole whack load more. Let's just put a fucking box collider on this guy. Tag. Zombie. Because it's better that way. Subject only. Let's put a box collider on him. Because, fuck yeah. I don't want to see Wi-Fi frequencies. Whoa! Whoop. There we go. Box collider works for now. There-ish. There-ish. Whee! It's actually not bad. It fits kind of well on this guy. Nah, I kind of want the legs a bit. You bastard. That's good enough. Yeah, it's good enough. It's fine. Okay, what else do we need? We need a Nav Mesh Agent. I don't even know what to set them at. Traverse, auto repath, yes. Quality, high quality, low quality? Radius is 50, that's right. Speed 3.5, that's also fine. So we need a movement script. Nice, easy one to test out. So we can turn off the big boss now, because we kind of know what we're gonna, at least I kind of know what I'm gonna do with him. And let's make a script for him. Scripts. Enemy. Create. C# scripts. Male creeper. Movement. Whoa, do I already have one? Oh, can't use this one. Yep, it already matters. Hell creeper. Mini. Ugh. Fuck off. Mini. There. Boop. So we need static references. So much shit. Need this. AI. Nav Mesh Agent. Agents, because it's easy. Game object. Player. Player health. Can't spell. Destination, no, that can just be the player. Oh shit, animator. Animator. Wake. Oops, I'll use this one first. Oh my god. So, player. What else? Nope. Agent. We also need enemy health in here as well. Enemy health equals... Really? Cool. Okay. In the update cycle, for now. So if enemy health is dead, not that one, or player health is dead. Whoops. Return. Void starts. You. Anim dot. Hey. Set pool is it's right here actually. Can I actually wait? God, I'm an asshole. I can actually use this script. Oh, what a waste of fucking time that was. Sorry, everyone. I literally could use the boss movement script on the little guy. What a waste of time that was. Delete. Fuck off. Visual. Every time I do something in the editor... Hell creeper movement. Boom. Animator. Already has one. Shut up, Hugo. You bastard. And yes, you're right. So actually, out of morbid curiosity, technically, oh, sorry, it needs enemy health. And I actually have to put in, I have to edit something in enemy health all the way to the top because down here, Haku boss. Yep. Mini hell creeper. Threat type. Boo, 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 boo. Parameters. Threat type is zombie worm. It's fine. Oh, this crap. Well, the bosses, that makes sense. Hell creeper boss, save game data, yes. Maggot, don't care. Or threat type equals enemy type dot any hell creeper. Choose a drop. It's fine. Send damage messages. Take damage. Yeah, there's a lot to wire up here. Collider state decompose. Decompose instance, respawn, da. That's fine. Terminal max health, that is based off you. Calculate ammo drop. I don't think there's anything else I need in here. Don't think, no. Oh, Hugo. Block to call and death, doesn't matter. Threat type. Did I not save? Oh. Oh, shit. I can just... Fine, fuck it. Don't need... That script is dead. Why is it still there? Oh, I didn't delete it. I couldn't delete it, that's right. Come on. Delete. Boo! Oh! Oh, I thought Unity crashed. Oh! That would have sucked. Okay, so what else? Threat type. Oh, make it hard. Doesn't matter. I need a decomposed position, so let's open up its animator. Animator. Die. That's what it's called. Hey. Die. Oh, creeper. Create empty. Pose position. It's probably dead center anyway. Yeah, look at that. Dead center. Perfect. Don't even need to change anything. Decompose. Oh, I also need one of those too. Damn it. Combat text position. And that one is going to be up here. Whee! Roughly there. And I think that's it. Let's see what happens anyway. I'll just fire it up and see. So I turned off the other boss, right? I don't know how much health this thing has, but hopefully it goes right after the player. Oh, wait a minute. Level controller. Do I need anything with static preferences? No. Alright, oh fuck it. Let's do it. Let's just see what it looks like to kill this thing. Unless you plan on asking, you're out of morbid. Well, you don't like my morbid curiosity? All of my curiosities are morbid. I don't know where I got that from, and I don't know why I still say it. Okay, he's moving too... The animation needs to be a lot faster. But fair enough. Oh, shit. He's just gonna come at me. Come at me, bro. Okay. So... He needs to move... So his animation needs to be faster, which is fine. So I just need the damn name of it. It is run walk. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I should probably click on it, might help. Where is it? Hello. Is it run forward in place? What is the damn code? Walk forward equals true. Run forward. Where's walk? Am I blind? Oh, jeez, it's right there. So it's been a while. Where's my zombie script? Because I posted my thoughts. Thank you very much, Sundry. Very cool. Very, very cool and very appreciated. I need all the feedback I can get. So zombie movement, where are you? Where are you? Ah! That's movement offset, so I need the set. Oh, I forgot how to do this. It's been a while. So let's go back to Hellkeeper movement. Make it public for now. Public. Float. Walking. Anim walking speed. Anim. And I need Actually, we'll just make this equal 1, so we don't have any fucking problems later on. I'm gonna have to look this up because I can't remember. Whoop. Unless anyone out there knows. I'm basically trying to set the animation speed, like cycle speed, at runtime. Unity sets anim speed. It's probably something super. Oh, it's really animated at that speed? Oh, but I don't want the animator. The playback speed of the animator. See, I want a specific animation. Is it literally just... See, it's not the animator though. I want the specific animation. Ah, speed multiplier. So what is that? Okay, is that actually all it is? Anim dot set float. Ah. So walk forward. Never tried it this way before. No, this ain't it. That's not it. Shit, what am I doing wrong here? No worries, Hugo. Thanks so much for popping in and sticking around, man. Very much appreciated. Can I literally just get the animation? Set. What is it? Get current animation state info. Can I set? Layer in the index. What is it? Come on. Sorry. Come on. Oh, what layer is it in the index? Balls. Night, man. Get animation state info. Gonna get rid of you. And what did I do here? Sorry, I'm just making sure I don't want to, sorry. Wait a minute, can I actually do that? Can I do that? I can't do that, can I? So let's make another float. We'll call it walking speed. We'll make that 1. Can I actually do this? Because that would be awesome. Here. No, sorry, this. Oh my god, I can. Speed, multiplier, parameter, walking speed. Way easier than code. This way I'm only setting the float. Aha! Now I get it. Now I get it. That's set. Set float. What did I call it? Walking speed. And we're gonna set it to anim walking speed. Yay! So now, but click on this out. So he needed to go. The animation speed needed to go faster. So let's go double. Let's see what it looks like at double the speed. Sundry, no, I haven't. I'm not gonna lie. It's looking like it's gonna be difficult for me to do it. I don't know. Like my problem is I don't want to commit to it and then only be able to do it for like half the time or a quarter of the time because of, you know, family obligations. I'm trying to work it out. That looks way better. Oh shit. Oh, the turning doesn't though. God damn it. Yeah, come on. It looks better. The little guy's animation. Yeah, it looks better. Okay. So Sundry, no, I don't have a definite. I know I gotta decide. Jesus Christ, I gotta decide this week. Actually, I gotta decide by Tuesday. I'll let everyone know by Tuesday. I'm just calling him Hell Creeper. He's just a Hell Creeper. That's because honestly, he's called Hell Creeper because that's whoever made the asset. That's what they named him. He's not referenced in the game. The name of this boss isn't referenced anywhere. What happens is the antagonist of the game. Well, without ruining it. Well, fuck it. Never mind. I'm not gonna say it. I'll ruin the narrative. Anyway, yeah. So, so that works. Now he needs his own attack script though, and he's only going to have a melee attack. No specialness to this little prick. What does he got for? I got a bite attack. Rawr. Do you have any special kick attacks? Claw attack. What's that? Oh, that's not bad either. What does that look like being played? Actually, that looks like shit. I don't like that at all. Not that it looks like shit, I just don't like it. I think the biting is more appropriate. I can do both. Sorry, Nathan, I'm not gonna tell you. Sundry knows and Hugo know. And my wife knows. She probably doesn't remember, but she knows. That's it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna use the bite because it just looks better. I think. Yeah, we use the bite. So I need a Hell Creeper attack. Great. See if I folder. No, sorry, mini. What is this? Go away. And why does that not open? Why does it not open up to the script I just created? Why? Why? Okay, so all those things that I typed up before, they're all here. And we're taking them, putting them here to save lots of time. And we're taking, oh, this shit. Actually, we're taking, actually, we'll take that. Because, Jesus. Yes, I know, I know. There. Now, actually, I don't even know what the damn bite attack is called. Oh, it's read only. Of course it is. Animator, where's the bite attack? It's over here. Click, click, bang. Boop. Duplicate. Bite attack, bite attack. Now it's not read only. I can edit the mother effer. Bite attack. I know, Danny, I know. Sundry ripped me a new one. I'm way too late into the project now to go back and refactor everything. I know. I know. Trust me, next game I make, I will go out of my way to utilize it. But yes, you're 100% right. What was I doing? Oh yes, reusing code. Where's my zombie thing? I'm just gonna borrow it. I'm gonna have to tweak it though, but I have to borrow it. Where's the zombie? Hello? Zombie. Where's enemies? Oh, right there. I'm an idiot. Zombie attack. I need to borrow this. Send damage. I can borrow that too. but it's gonna have to be changed profusely. We're gonna need some extra things in here to make it work. Movement control? No. And as well you should. You should totally make fun of me for it. Nice. Hit. Audio source need the reference level. Why didn't I? Fuck you then. You get a small L. You should have a small L. There's reasons. Oh, fuck me. Target distance, attack distance, that makes sense. Target. No, what am I doing? Float. That's not right. Why? Why do you do this to me? What's the other one I need? Attack distance. Is it really sundry? I haven't taken a look at it at all. I really want to. It is neat. I like that. Yeah, it's an incentive to keep going through it. But what's the criteria for learning it? Like you just got to click that you've read and understand, or do you actually have to like pass some sort of evaluation? Oh shit. All right. Oh, okay, that's fairly cool. That's pretty neat then. I didn't know that they had added that in. Kind of makes me happy they did. Raycast. What? Really, I don't have player health control? Okay. Float damage. Public. 5. Fucking no. Arbitrary. And we're gonna void this out for now. I'm not voiding, but I'm not dealing with the attack. So basically this script, oh fuck, of course. It's a check to see if, in the animation, it does this check to see if it's in range of the player. That's all. Yes, Sundry, I know. Inheritance and finite state machines. I don't even need to fucking look at it. You guys are pricks. You guys are pricks. Okay, hold on a second here. But you're right. That's the worst part. You're right. You're both very, very right. Oh, so the angular speed, that needs to be, what did I put? 480, I think? Auto braking, yes, low quality, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so, let me select, yeah, good. Okay. So, just because of the time, folks, I'm gonna leave it there. But, yeah, so I have lots more to do. Like I said, I need the last boss needs ads. The inventory is better than what it was before. I like that you can now see during the game what you have and what you don't have instead of having to take yourself out of the game. Yeah, this boss will need a lot more testing. Fuck. But it's too boring. Now again, it will have kind of the same mechanical feel, but the breath is just impossible to avoid unless you're like right up beside them. But I like the idea of AoE staying because I like the idea of like the player having to think where they're going to go. And now plus we're gonna add in some ads, if that makes any sense. That'll add another, Jesus, how many times am I gonna say fucking ad? That'll be a nice addition. It's still ad. Fuck! Anyway, if anybody out there is new to the stream and likes what they saw in any way, shape, or form, please smash follow, subscribe, like, hit the bell notification, leave a comment, share, do all those lovely things that let other eyeballs fall onto this content, because in the end, that's what I need. I need eyeballs, and I need people clicking that wishlist button who, whether they mean it or not, you know, that's always better. Ads as in no, shut up, Danny. No. You guys are just picking me apart tonight, and that's why I enjoy this. It's nice to get hit back. Mind Cauldron, thank you very much for the donation tonight. You made the evening by far. Thank you. I don't know how to thank you, but thank you if you're still there. For everyone else, join the Discord. Yeah, see you, Nathan. Hopefully I see you next stream. Join the Discord for more info. We do a community game night at the last Sunday of every month. I will know by Tuesday's stream whether or not I can do the game jam or not. And if I can do the game jam, then the community game night will be on the 24th. If I cannot do the game jam, community game night will be on the 31st itself. So I will let everyone know on Tuesday. I have to pull the trigger and make a final decision. So we're hopefully going to play Left 4 Dead 2 if enough people have it. If not, no one told me about World of Tanks, so I'm gonna have to put up a poll. I'd love to play World of Tanks. I just need to be told when I need to download it, because it's a big download. Thanks. Yeah, again, man, very cool of you. Yeah, I think that's actually it. I think. Sundry, I will read your notes. If I don't get to them tonight, I will, trust me, I'll read them pretty much first thing tomorrow morning. And I will have a discussion, excuse me, hopefully with yourself and Hugo, about the things, and hopefully we can get any problems that I have sorted out sooner than later. So to everyone, enjoy the rest of your night, afternoon, evening, and don't forget to wishlist the Caretaker on Steam. Wishlist the Caretaker. You can playtest it right now. The survival mode is out. Just hit the request access button. You'll get immediate access. You can download, play, and see if you can beat Sundry's score. I think he's in the hundreds of thousands now because he's got to be hacking. He has to be hacking. He's not hacking. So thanks, everyone. I will see you on Tuesday. Stay happy, stay safe, stay productive, and just overall, man, just be a good person, because we need more of those people in the world. Enjoy the rest of your life, and hopefully you'll share it with me on Tuesday. Bye, everyone. I always hit the replay buffer button, because it's the same. Fuck it. Bye.